From my prelim to my full product, I have learned and understood the conventions of a magazine and how to create these on different programs. My prelim magazine didn't look professional, but I understood that the shop type was a medium close-up. From making my front cover, I've learned that you need to use an appropriate model that will appeal to your target audience and make sure they are wearing the correct costume so that it looks more professional. I've learned that the colour scheme is important for it to appeal to the target audience. On my prelim, I used oranges and reds. I used these because the orange was bold and it would attract the reader's attention. But when making my full product, I found out that the colours need to work together and they need to be appropriate for your target audience, hence why I used pinks and blues. When I have learned that the layout of the magazine is important because on my prelim I pastiche a magazine that I found because I liked the look of it. But on my full product I looked at a range of pop magazines and looked at how they laid out their pages. Most of them were similar, but they used different shapes and fonts to make them vibrant. The fonts were important because on the magazines they used sans serifs because they look casual, whereas on my prelim I used a range of both. I've also learned how to use different media technology which helped me in making my magazine. On my prelim contents page I use Adobe InDesign, which as you can tell isn't very good because I didn't understand how to use it. But on my final contents page there were a lot more layers and understand how to arrange things so the outcome was more professional. Therefore, from my prelim task to my final product, I've learned a lot about the conventions of magazines and how to use technologies in order to make it look realistic and professional. Next time I would focus on the models and the mise en scène.